How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete one photo or a single photo from the multiple photos that you have uploaded on a single post on Instagram. Now it's quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open up your Instagram app. You'll get an interface like this. Now head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you'll find your post. Here you can see under the post grid here. Now if you open up the post that you have uploaded multiple pictures on, you can see here I've uploaded a post here. Here are three different pictures. Now suppose I want to delete this middle one, or you want to delete one of these three. Now all you have to do is on the post, open up the post here and tap on the three dots that you'll find at the top right corner of the post. You can see the three dots here. Simply tap on it and tap on the edit option that you can say edit. Simply tap on edit here, and if you scroll and head back to here to pictures, you can see there are three different pictures, and along with each picture you'll find the delete icon at the top left corner of the picture. You can see at the top left, you can see of each picture you'll find delete icon. Now if you want to delete a particular picture, simply head into that picture, swipe and head into that picture, and simply tap on delete icon that you can see at the top left corner of the screen, and it'll ask you to confirm the delete media here, and simply tap on delete, and you can see there are only two pictures now. So this way you can delete. Simply tap on save icon once you do it at the top right corner, and this way you can delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.